And he joined in 1974. So how many years is that? How many years ago? 36, oh that's interesting. 36 years. That means 3 yugas. In astrology, every 12 years is considered a yuga for the human being. It's a major time period. So after finishing 36 years service of Radha Shyam Sundar in the holy name, then it's very interesting. Usually when there's yuga shifts, when somebody's been doing something for 12 years, working, living, this, that, the other thing, then there's sometimes he changes. Gets divorced, or gets a new job, or moves to a new country, or this or that. It's often there. You'll see everywhere. Even Shastras, you'll see 12, 12, 12. 12,000 years. And Prishnigarbha and Sutapa. Prishnigarbha and Sutapa, they meditated for 12,000 celestial years. This 12 is very big. Shankaracharya went to Joshimath. And he did tapasya for 12 years in Joshimath in one gufa. Shankaracharya. So 36 years, he lived to be 56. At the age of 20, at 20 years old, he joined Prabhupada's Sankirtan movement. And fully dedicated his life. So in 36 years, he attained perfection in Krishna Prema. Prem Prayojana. Entered the lilas of Radha and Krishna, realized his Siddhadeha, left this world sprinkling everyone's mind and heart with Shuddha Nam and wonderful Siddhanta. A great gem in the crown of Bhakta, the Bhakta, let's say the Bhakta Mukut. Srila Prabhupada's Bhakta Mukut. Is it right? Mukut means crown. The crown of devotees. Prabhupada's crown of 5,000 jewels. Diamonds and rubies and emeralds and pearls. Hira and Mota and Neelam. Prabhupada has this beautiful diamond, this beautiful crown with all his jewel-like devotees are there. So Indra is one of those great gems and jewels of Prabhupada's heart. So this should give us great faith. Nam Shraddha. Prabhupada, Guru Shraddha, increase our Guru Bhakti, our faith in Guru. Yes! We say everything's here. It means that Krishna is here, this holy name is here, Guru is here, and the only thing missing is us. Are we here? Now, our contribution is Sharanagati, surrender. Atma Samarpanam. Mantan Dan Guru Samarpan, Krishna Samarpan. Everything submitted and surrendered at the lotus feet of the Lord and His pure devotee, Guru Dev. Live for His happiness, live for His satisfaction. And every moment chant the holy name, and every moment talk about Radha and Krishna and Gauranga. Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila. These are the teachings of the great devotees. They teach and they live the teachings. So I pray to Nitya Lila Pravishta Srimad Indra Prabhu that his teachings, his example, his attachment for the holy Dham, his attachment for Radha Shyam, and his attachment for the holy name and serving as Guru, I pray that all that wonderful attachment, all that asakti and bhav will come into my heart. And I pray that it will all come into your hearts also. And Indra's prabhav, and Indra's kripa, and Indra's shiksha, and Indra's holy name will forever resound in your mind and heart. Srila Indra Prabhu ki jai.